Hi friends, welcome to my channel, S.B.A Tricks and Ideas. In this video, I show that how to download books from online with mobile phone. Open your favorite browser. I recommend Chrome browser. Click on search, then type as KTBS Karnataka textbook online. Then click on www.ktbsc.kar.nic.in website. Choose your class. Choose your medium. Choose your subject. Now click on Full Textbook Download. Click on 3 dot. Click on Downloads. You can see the downloading file here. After download completed, you can see your textbook. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.